Hey family, today we're taking a look at the men's denim. This is their denim shirt, jacket, depends on what you want to call it. All right, let's get a better angle for y'all so you guys can see this. So this is a long sleeve and we're gonna go ahead and try it on. So give me a moment, guys. Some people wear them without a shirt. Some people wear them with a muscle shirt. We're gonna see how it fits with a full shirt on. We might have to, yeah, we're gonna have to. Oh, I love that. I love this. It's the buttons that pop on and pop right off. That is so nice and handy. So we're trying it with the shirt on just to see the fitment, to see if you guys could. So we're 5'9", 195 pounds. Oh yeah, you can wear a shirt underneath. But probably a muscle shirt would be the best. Oh, this is nice. Hopefully you guys, let's see if we can adjust this lighting. Hopefully you guys can see the color up close and how nice this is. But yeah, this is really nice. So again, easily button it like this. Just pop them in place. Oh, I love this. This is nice. It fits, I would say it fits pretty much perfect, even with the shirt on. You can button up the sleeves as well. So you can button your sleeves, button all the way to the very top, like the whole way to your top neck. It has button pockets, and they're smaller, on the smaller size, but you can put some stuff in there. So overall, I love this. I like it. I like it a lot. It's gonna look great with jeans. Yep, this is awesome, guys. Run, get it. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. The fitment's great. Again, you can wear it with a shirt, without a shirt, muscle shirt, long sleeve shirt. So, which is great because if you're going somewhere that you might get hot, you could have a shirt underneath it and then just take this off. So, overall, guys, I love it. I think you will too.